Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable back tap on iPhone. So if you want to enable and use back tap on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So with back tap, you can double tap the Apple logo at the back of your iPhone to turn on your iPhone flashlight or turn on camera. So this depends on your choice. But here, I'm just going to walk you through how to enable back tap and select an option to use the back tap on your device. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use back tap on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Once open the settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down the page, locate and click on touch. Now, once you click on touch, scroll down to the bottom of the page, then you should see back tap. Double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So go ahead and click on that. Then if you want to use double tap or triple tap, just go ahead and select either of these. So in this case, I'm going to go with double tap, then click on it. Once you click on double tap, then select whatever you want to do with double tapping the back of the screen. So here, let's say camera. And once you selected camera, you can now exit the page. Now, when next you want to open your iPhone camera, you just need to turn to the back of the iPhone and then double tap the Apple logo at the back. Then you should see the iPhone camera opens. And if it shows flashlight, then when next you want to turn on flashlight on your iPhone, you can just locate the Apple logo at the back of your iPhone and then double tap it. Then you should see your flashlight turn off or turn on. So that is exactly how to use back tap on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.